Most workflow management tools are built for single teams and simple task tracking. But real value, especially in enterprises, flows across multiple departments, dependencies, handoffs, and approvals. That's why Businessmap helps you build and visualize your value streams with the help of AI, track cross-team dependencies, and analyze how work moves through any process. Let me show you how this looks like in the following demo. Starting from a dashboard in Businessmap, where we bring portfolio and operational management together, let's move to the Value Stream Manager application. Here, we can simply tell AI to help us build a new value stream for, let's say, the management of non-conformance parts in an aerospace engineering company. And just like that, we have our new value stream generated, where we can firstly rearrange the steps as we see fit. Of course, that's not the only option, and you can use our pre-built templates library to visualize a value stream for a chosen organizational area. If you'd like to make any changes to the value stream, AI comes to your help. Simply ask it what you'd like to achieve, and it will come up with modifications you can apply straight away. To make your newly built value stream actionable, you can switch to the board mode view and let the system transform your value stream into workflow stages. Essentially, these are the steps that you can start building into your work management boards. But that's not all, because once you have enough data, you can inspect where work moves smoothly and where there are bottlenecks across your value stream from our analytics module. For example, looking at this red stage over here, it's clear where the bottleneck in our process is, so we should further analyze it. Going back to the main dashboard, let's now move into our non-conformance board that represents a similar process to what we just saw. On the top workflow, you can visualize your big work packages, which are broken down into individual tasks across the daily management workflow. Businessmap allows you to visualize blocked work and dependencies across your boards, as well as use dependency maps through our whiteboards. With their help, you can visually see which work is dependent on one another, as well as map new dependencies whenever necessary. To make sure your process runs smoothly, you can use our various AI tools on a work management board to automate the creation of comments, subtasks, work descriptions, and so on. Furthermore, every card in Businessmap has an integrated AI assistant which can guide you what you need to do on the work item, give you information about its past history, or even warn you about potential risks you need to be aware of. For workflow governance, every team can define their own process policies on a board that team members need to follow. For example, you can add a variety of if this then that rules to make your process as smooth as possible. Another option is to set up arrival and departure rules, which allow you to preset conditions about how work arrives and exits different stages across your processes. At the end of the day, Businessmap gives you a flexible solution to manage your daily work and double productivity with AI. So, if you'd like to see how we can help you manage any value stream and workflow inside your company, request your free trial and get in touch with our experts.